All right, so let's start on the seat. I'm gonna break it down for you guys. As you see, I am doing layer by layer drill brushing, lightly, layer by layer, layer by layer. What I'm doing is I'm trying to break down this moisture barrier. This stuff is not penetrating the actual material yet because it's on the surface still. So as you can see, I'm kind of blotting down because I don't want anything to go into the material. If I were to try to extract, if I were to try to, oversaturate, what's going to happen is that's going to go into the fabric. I want to get it above the fabric. I want to pull all of this dirt and grime out. I want to surface it and then wipe it up. So as you can see, as soon as I'm done drilling, I'm wiping it up. And after a few passes, you'll start to see the actual material expose itself, and you'll start to see the texture on the material itself.
I see that you're doing section by section.
Yes, small section by small section, because I don't want anything to dry. I don't want anything to start to absorb into the material itself. Sped it up for video purposes, but you guys can see with no extraction, none of that. If I were to start extracting, that would soak, it would soften it up, all of that dirt and grime, and it would go back into the surface of the seat and the material. And that's why all of that stuff returns on you guys when you guys are extracting and you guys wonder, why does it keep coming back? Because you're pushing it into the material. Here, I'm simply treating the material. And as you can see, within a few minutes, I think it took me a total of the entire seat, maybe about 35 minutes to get that entire seat clean. But I don't have to worry about it coming back.